everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I packed my BFF in the Rose Gold collection. They just came out in April 6th and they're pretty much sold out. If you like this print, you can buy it at eBay, I guess, for a higher price, or look up the buy sale on trade of JuJuBe on Facebook groups. You might be able to get one of the bags of the Rose Gold collection. They are very beautiful. I like it a lot, and my baby just started the swimming classes yesterday, so I would like to do a packing video of how I have my BFF ready for the swimming class. So right here in the front pocket, that is the mommy pocket, I don't have much. I just have my sunglasses. I have the Aveeno baby sunscreen protection. I have my wallet, and I don't have anything in this zipper pocket, and I usually just put my keys right here. On this one, I usually have my phone and just chapstick candy. And then on the sides, on one of these D-rings, I put my pacifier, and usually I put 2 pacifiers inside before I leave. Wow, I have 3 actually. So I usually just keep 2 handy. I have my hand sanitizer from Baby Organics, and it's just foam. And then on the other side, I keep snacks for him, because after the pool, I mean the class is only like 20 minutes, but after the pool I just give him a snack when we're in the car. And I have some theaters here for him, and I like to give to him because it helps him with the with his teeth that are coming out. He already got one, and I guess there's one more coming up. And then inside, in the back, I don't have anything. I have it as a backpack strap because it's much easier when I put it in my bag and then take the baby out of the car seat to go to the class. I don't carry anything here in the bag. And then this is how the inside looks. I don't have anything here. In the zipper compartment here, I keep my wipes, my wipe pouch, and I just have this one handy for anything that I need to clean, like his face, hands, or change a diaper. And then on this Donutella switch up medium set piece, I have a few toys and feeders for him. I have right here the towel. Usually if it's not swimming class, I will not bring a towel, but of course we're going to the swimming class, so I bring a towel here. And on this pocket, I have his swimming diaper of the Alba Baby brand. And this is just like a, I guess it's a disposable. It's not a disposable. How do you call those? Like a cloth diaper kind of style, but it's for the swimming pool. And then I usually put this long sleeve shirt just so he doesn't get burned. And then on this one, the large set on Happy Hearts, I carry my diaper essentials. I have 3 diapers size 5. I have Desitin. I have a little towel, garbage bags, my changing pad in the sushi cars, and it's from a B Sporty, so I can fold it and put it all here. And on this large set right here, I have random stuff. I have a change of clothes for him. It's just some shorts from Target. I have this onesie from First Impressions. It's like a Macy's brand. I have my wet bag. I have my med kit. And I carry always this extra pack of Honest Company wipes and 1 diaper in here, just in case I run out of the other ones. And that's all I have in here. And then in the bottom, I have a blanket for him, because usually after the pool, I put him in the car seat and he falls asleep, so I will give him the blanket. And in the back of these pockets right here, I just carry wipes. These are pacifier wipes, or for his theater toys, or anything that you like to clean that he puts in his mouth. And this one are just wet ones. I'm actually running out of them. And this is the mini wipe pouch, and I'll just carry these ones to like disinfect the area where he's gonna play. And that's all I have in my diaper bag. Okay, and that's all. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!